Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely hobby that allows you to decorate clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags and many other items. With just a needle thread and fabric, you can create amazing designs. One of the best things about hand embroidery is that anyone can learn it. You don't need expensive tools or years of experience. With a little practice and patience, you can make beautiful patterns at home. There are many types of embroidery stitches. The running stitch is one of the easiest and is perfect for beginners. The back stitch creates neat outline for flowers, leaves or letters. The chain stitch is great for making vines and borders. The satin stitch fills flowers petals with smooth color. Floral embroidery is always our favorite. Roses, daisies, tulips, lavender and sunflowers look beautiful on dresses, scarves, pillow covers and tote bags. You can use bright colors for a cheerful design or soft pastel shades for a gentle and elegant look. Leaf patterns are another simple and stylish choice. Different shades of green make leaves look fresh and natural. You can combine flowers and leaves to create a complete garden design. Many people also enjoy making butterfly and bird embroidery. These colorful designs bring life to any fabric and make wonderful gifts for family and friends. If you are decorating your home, embroidery can make everyday item look special. Add designs to cushion covers, table runners, napkins, curtains and wall hangings. Handmade embroidery adds warmth and beauty to any room. Choose good quality embroidery thread for the best results. Keep your stitches even and don't pull the thread too tightly. Working slowly helps create a neat and professional finish. Most importantly, enjoy the creative process. Every stitch teaches you something new and every project helps you improve your skills. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video number collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.